My name is John and I chose SunStudio. They were very competitive on price, they were very communicative, and when they came to do the quote we felt they were very knowledgeable. Having seen it, we were very happy with the job they've done. We moved in 9 years ago. We had very small children at the time, and because of the high terrace we put in some wood decking and wood balustrades to stop anything from falling off the terrace. It wasn't in the best condition when we came to have the remedial work done. We chose SunStudio after a long search for a company to do our glass balustrades, and we were very impressed with their whole setup. The team worked to prep the terrace and prep the area ready to have the glass in. They worked very hard and completed it on time, and we would recommend them highly to anyone thinking of having similar work. Having seen the glass balustrades in place, we now actually are thinking of adding some more, especially down on the sides, and we think, having seen the work, that will be a great addition. My name is John and I chose SunStudio.